Hello folks, I wanted to show you how the docking drawer outlet plug here has really improved our kitchen. When we designed this island over here, we had installed one of the docking drawers right over here behind the toaster, and you can see it clearly here. As you can see, when we close the drawer, it's self-closing drawer. It closes very nicely. We can use our toaster just like that. When it pops back up, we let it cool off a little bit and close the drawer right back up. And you can see how the docking drawer is installed very professionally. Very easy to do, not difficult, and keeps all the cords and everything, all the appliances inside the drawer, as I mentioned. And then on this side over here, we use a docking drawer so my wife can eliminate putting all these blenders and juicers on top of the counter. And we've got that docking drawer right over here, as you can see. And again, it's professionally installed. Very easy to do. Very nice application. Again, we've got like two sets of blenders here, juicers. And again, you close the drawer. It closes very nicely. And in order to use a blender, my wife puts it on top of the counter. She puts her blender right here, juicer. When she's done, she puts it right back down. And it's easy as that. It keeps our counter very nicely clean. There's no appliances on top of the counter. Gives a very nice, organized kitchen look. Highly recommended.